that you knew about soft and hard sounds of letters C and G. Let's see if you will be able to remember your lessons. Hello, welcome to Learning with David. This is a practice session of Learning with Mimi. I will walk you through this session, and to answer the questions in this session, type your answers in the comment section of this video. Now, let's begin. Soft C. Identify words with soft C from the following words. Chasm, chemistry, chagrin, chameleon, champion, incisors, increase, disease, decrease, cypress. Alright, I hope you got those words correctly. Good. Remember to type your answers in the comment section of this video. Alright. Now, hard C. Identify words with hard C from the following words. Carcass, AIDS, process, protect, rector, chandelier, races, Kitaferous, chancellors. Identify words with soft G from the following words. Make sure you play back the video to listen again. Longevity, gigantic, gangster, magnificent, privilege, goods, geese, gander, gender, hieroglyphics. Hard G. Identify words with hard G sound in the following sentences. The sentences I'm about to read out to you contain words with hard G. So, when you hear them, make sure you write or type the words in the comment section. Do not forget words with hard G sound. Right, let's begin. 1. The brag of the bagel is not cogent. Sentence number 2. The gender of a goose is female, while of a gander is male. Sentence number 3. Glycemia is general in gender. Sentence number 4. The gem gambled in Gambia and in Nigeria. The last sentence. The general is a Negro with a nickel, but not a gem. Thank you for practicing with David. Subscribe to this channel and click the notification button for more updates.